back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the not in the group error if you buy the game Hanford, California from Poseidon, my tech group. The link is in the description. And if you bought the game and it is giving you that error, please watch this video in order to know how to fix it. Let's move on. Alright, so once you're in the game, you want to go to Explorer and Server Script Service. Drop it down. Then you're gonna want to search for Group Lock, the script right here. Click it and open it. And if you don't want any group lock, like, oh, you know what, forget it. If you want the player to be in a particular group in order to play in the game, you need to put your group ID here. Although, if you do not want any group lock and you want anyone to play the game, you can right-click the group lock script and click delete. And there you go. That should fix your problem. Be sure to join my server. The link is in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in the next bug fix video. Peace.